morning, guys. It is not the morning. It's like the afternoon.
It's 11:47.
So, I was interrupted, but today we're going to go to the beach and do some shopping.
We were originally going to go to an airboat and like boat with seeing alligators. I make no sense, but it's too much money because the taxi ride would be like 40 minutes, and that's like a lot of money going there and back. So I'm like, what's the point? I don't know. And it's also very windy and it's going to rain. So I don't think that would be a boat and not good combination.
We're on the trolley to the beach. Stop it! What do you want? Okay, so we're at PF Chang's.
Here, what are you eating? Pretty good though.
Hey guys, so we're in the Galleria Mall and we're just doing a bit of shopping. Hey guys, so it's like currently 7:05 and I'm just relaxing in the hotel room by myself. Everyone's by the pool. I don't know why, because it's like raining outside, but tonight's supposed to thunder, which I'm really scared about, but it's fine. So yeah, that's the end of the vlog. Love you guys. Bye.